Guys, I'm at this bookstore checking out some of the books on Raspberry Pi, and I found a few. This whole book is the one that I'm taking for Raspberry Pi. Uh, so, why is this Raspberry Pi picking up so much? If I look at the whole bookshelf here, uh, one of the most critical thing is whenever you have a startup idea of doing anything fancy, you would require machine learning and AI, and you would require to make a small prototype that's going to use anything. I see a deep learning book here. So any kind of idea that we want to implement for our startup and quickly make a prototype, whether it be a COVID spray which detects that you are inside the house and starts spraying the thing on you, or whether it's a COVID disinfectant car that goes around your house and disinfects the entire floor slowly, uh, or whether it be to find out if you're forgetting something and it reminds you based on the tags. And any kind of these startup would require you to start with a Raspberry Pi, 3D printing, which is missed part, and we saw some 3D printer here which was under $700. 3D printing, Raspberry Pi, and machine learning. With these three things, you can immediately implement any of your startup ideas. Now, I see a lot of books here. A lot of books are on Raspberry Pi, a lot of books on data science, a lot of books on 3D printing. Those have been the focus. Though there are some other books as well. A lot of books are also on Linux, which would be the operating system and the final implementation that you can still do in Python.